Hey there, welcome to PM with Mo. Today we are diving into the essential guides for product managers on writing a product requirement document, or PRD as we call it. So whether you are just starting out or you're looking to refine your skills, this video will provide you with the tips, templates, and best practices you need to succeed. So here we'll cover everything from understanding what a PRD is to breaking down each section of the document and some pro tips to make your PRD stand out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Hi, welcome to PM with Mo. If this is your first time, thank you for joining. Here we share everything about product and project management and also career development. And if this is your second, third, fourth to the nth time, here's your regular thumbs up. I really appreciate you joining me and I hope you are finding value. Thank you for coming back again. And today, like I said, I'm mastering the art of writing a product requirement document, or PRD as we call it. Many times we talk about PRD, PRD this, PRD that, and sometimes I feel like some people don't even know what a PRD is. First things first, what exactly is a PRD? You see, I work with people in the tech sector and especially software development, and I feel like sometimes we just use the word PRD loosely. Sometimes people are writing BRD and they call it a PRD. So what is a PRD? A PRD, or a product requirement document, is a comprehensive outline that details the features, functionalities, and objectives of your product. So it is something that serves as a roadmap for your development team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. So when I say development team, I'm saying design, software developers, QA, and the entire team. A well-crafted PRD will not only help in aligning the team, but it will also act as a reference point throughout your product development lifecycle. A PRD is a blueprint for your project. It's like a roadmap. It outlines what you're building, who it is for, and how it will deliver value. So whether you're working on a new app, a feature update, or a hardware product, a well-crafted PRD will keep your work aligned and on focus. So let me break down the key components of a PRD. First off is introduction, purpose of the document, and scope of the project. You see, define the purpose and scope of your product. This section should answer questions such as what problem are we solving, who are our target users, what are the key objectives. This section sets the stage for everything that follows on your project. For example, if you're developing a telemedical app, your purpose might be to provide convenient medical consultation for patients in remote areas. And then your scope will include the core features such as video conferencing, video calls, appointment booking or scheduling, and electronic health record, EHR. Secondly, features and requirements. You see, list out the features and requirements, break it down into must have and nice to have. Be specific about what each feature entails, and if there are any technical requirements or constraints, you should write them down in your PRD. Our telehealth app must have features might include having a secure video conferencing platform, user authentication, and data encryption. And then our nice to have can be integration with the pharmacy or health record management. So you should learn to break down these features and requirements into categories that it will be easily understandable, that you can easily say that, oh, these are the things that are priority. Thirdly, outline the user flow and experience. You see, user flow and experience are very crucial in your PRD. Create user personas to represent your target audience. Map out their journey through your product. Use diagrams, use flowcharts to easily visualize things. So imagine Favor, a single mom in a rural area. She opens the app, book an appointment, and have a consultation with a doctor within a few clicks. You need to make this process easy and seamless for your customers. Next, set the success metrics. You see, it's important to define how you measure success on your projects. What metrics would indicate that your product is meeting its goals? This could be user adoption rate, customer satisfaction, specific KPIs related to your business objectives. So for our app, we can set KPIs or success metrics like the number of consultations completed or user retention rates and even positive feedback from our patients. I think the last thing I'm talking about here is milestones. Learn to include timelines and milestones in your project. Outline the key phases of development, testing, and launch. Set realistic deadlines, because if you don't do that, you just notice that your project is spanning more than the time it should take. So you need to set milestone. Learn to put deadlines in our. So for our telehealth app, you may have milestones like completing the development, testing, and final launch. I will just assign date to these milestones. And like I mentioned earlier, I'll be sharing some pro tips to writing an effective PRD. 1. Be clear and concise. Avoid jargons and be crystal clear. Be as clear as possible because clarity is key. 2. Use visuals. Incorporate wireframes, diagrams, and charts to make complex information easily digestible. Just the way we use Kanban board in project management to easily see where your project is at. You should incorporate wireframes and diagrams in your PRD so you can easily digest complex information, basically. Then, thirdly, collaborate. Communicate with your team. Communicate with everybody on the products so we can have everything accounted for. And lastly, keep it updated. You see, a PRD is like a living document. It is alive. It is a living thing. So you should keep it updated at every time as the project evolves. So that's it for today's video on how to write an effective PRD. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share with fellow product managers, and subscribe to PMitumo for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.